Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I want to say thank you to 500 subscribers. Yes guys, continue to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, share my videos, tell a friend to tell a friend about Fanika TV. Yes guys, so we're outside in the we're outside, and we're going to be making eggnog. Yeah, I know it's not Christmas, but we Jamaicans, we drink eggnog all around the year. So yes guys, these are the products that I'm going to be using, and I just want to kind of elaborate on how important egg is to be a part of our daily diet. Doctors recommend that we eat at least 2 eggs for the day. Yes, so egg is very important, and then mixing it with milk kind of gives you a balanced meal, right? So even if you don't really like to consume the egg, either fry or so forth, it's making it as an eggnog is one of the most healthiest ways of consuming eggnog. Egg, right? And egg contains a lot of proteins. It also have unsaturated fats, which is good for heart health. It has omega 3s. It also has a lot of protein, a lot of vitamins, different type of vitamins. So egg contains a lot of things. And guys, if you guys didn't know, I'm going to give you a little tip about eggs. That the shell on the egg, you can, after breaking the egg out of the shell, you can boil the shell and mix it with flour, and and make dumpling and then stuff, that because the shell has a lot of phosphorus. And I also recommend that pregnant women, right, when you're going through your trimesters, it's good to make egg a part of your daily diet, because this is just my little recommendation. I don't know if it's a scientific fact, but I'm saying that I believe that egg helps to build your the fluid that is in your belly. It kind of is like the same thing as that the egg consists of. So I feel like consuming a lot of egg is really important to keep the fluids in your, keep the balance of your fluids in your belly, in your, in your womb while pregnant, consistent. So that's just my, that's what I think. It's not, I don't know if it's a scientific fact. I would have to research that, but I am not sure. So yes guys, today I'm going to be using, so yes guys, today I'm going to be using natural Jamaican rooster common fall egg. That is what it's called in in Jamaica, as common fall egg. It's no preservative egg. It has, the chickens in my yard laid it, and I'm going to be using it to make my um eggnog. And you know that it has like double the amount of nutrients that the machine fall egg has. So just a scientific fact again, because it's natural, no preservative, no hormone. Yes, so if all of the people that have trouble with fibroids, where them say cut off of the hormone food, yes, this is one of the things that I recommend that you should try to make a part of your daily diet, right? I'm also going to be using Surge 100% whole milk in my eggnog. I'm going to be using Betty milk also, yes, with a little of cinnamon and vanilla for taste in it. That's what they say on the top. See, cinnamon. So yes guys, remember, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like up the video, share up the video. Let's go. So yeah guys, we're gonna broke with egg them. I'm using 4 eggs. So before you put the whole of the egg in it. Make sure you check so the egg good, guys. You know, you want to know if you see it. So it's a fresh egg. You can see fresh egg. I have to go take up a fish one. This guys, fresh egg. I'm sure you see a fresh egg. So you break each egg. So yes, guys, this is the egg, and they're fresh. So yes, guys, we're going to switch our egg with sugar. But when you switch the egg, guys, you gradually, every time you switch, you gradually add sugar to it. And I think this needs no more sugar to the amount you know this with it, so I whisk it until it's foaming. Let's switch it. Okay, guys, so you switch. Okay, guys. Whew. Alright, so yeah, guys, for fire catch, I'm gonna add the pot pan in fire, and we're going to put our surge milk on it. Alright, guys, you have to keep monitor it. You have to keep monitor your milk because we don't want it to spoil. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put it and condensed milk. I'm gonna do the milk. So yeah, guys, I'm going to also add rum to the mixture. Just add the whole rum with it because I just one drink of rum, and then I go grate some nutmeg in it also. I'm not put nutmeg because I don't really like nutmeg. Just I put it in there because you know. I guess I live on a farm. So yeah, guys, after we done mix it, guys, we're gonna add it back to the pot and add it back on the fire. Add it back to the pot. Add it back to the pot. And then let's add it back to the fire. Add it back to the fire, guys. And then we're going to let it cook. So guys, we're gonna add it back to the fire. I'm gonna add it back to the fire, guys. I'm not gonna let it cook. Yes, guys, remember, I'm reminding you again, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Get us to 100,000 followers, subscribers. Yes, guys, join the Fanika TV family. Let's go. So yes, guys, after straining the egg, after I put it back on the fire for just warm up little. This is what I've got, plus the cup here. So yes, guys, I'm going to be tasting it and telling you how it tastes. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a like, leave a comment, share to family and friends, everybody. Okay. Tastes like oh eggnog supposed to taste. It's really good. So yes guys, you can make your own homemade eggnog. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, when you put your eggnog back on the fire, just make it warm a little bit. No, don't make it stay too long. Couple minutes on it, and you're good to go. Bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Watch my other videos and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.